All right, WMC, please disregard my scratchy cold voice, but this is the video to find the winner of my winner's choice number 2. So we'll check the time, September 27th at 9:22 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live, and we have September 27th at 9:22 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 11 times. That'll work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joe Both. Spot number 6 is our winner. So, Joe, please get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, September 27th, 9:23 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.